guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I retouch my makeup, you know, after work and I still want to go hang out with my friends or go out with my girls. So this is the routine that I always do. So I already have a foundation, concealer, and I do have some contour, you know, a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and kind of like, you know, take out all the oil. My forehead, my T-zone is very oily, so I always have to kind of like, you know, put powder on it, and then I just, you know, pat it with tissue. Guys, if you have any tips and tricks of how to prevent oily, you know, skin, let me know. I don't like it, but it is what it is. All right, so what I normally do is I'm going to go ahead and get my air spun over here, and this is like my powder, and we're just gonna go ahead and grab like a flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and get a clip for my hair, so there you go. And we're just gonna go ahead and kind of put just a little bit over here. We'll dust it later on. I just want to kind of put some. That's what we're gonna do. We'll dust it a little bit once everything is set. Get that freaking oily, yep, part of your forehead and your T-zone gone. Okay, so after that, I'm going to, because I've already contoured my face, I'm going to just go ahead and get, now this one is a very affordable brand, which is Jordana. I think mostly you can find this at, like I said, I am a drugstore brand girl, but I don't think you can find it at the drugstore. This you can find at Winco or Save Mart. Now this is a brand you can buy in the grocery. And this is a tawny beige blush powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of put it over here in my cheekbone. I smile and I just put it on my cheekbone. Okay, there you go. Once you're done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this thick brush over here and just do that. Then you dust out the air spun powder you use. There you go. So it's looking a lot more better. I mean, it's almost the same, but this is like if you want to just look kind of like more fresh, I guess that's how you say it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap the blush, okay, just a little bit, I guess. I wouldn't super glam my face when I'm kind of like in a hurry, or I just want to retouch it and then go and take my little ones out. Then this is what I normally would do. I would probably retouch just kind of like the ends of my eyebrows because it got wiped out. You guys are lucky if you guys have a bushy eyebrows, because I don't. I will have to fill it, and it takes at least 15 minutes. It sucks. I have tried, I would say I've tried microblading, but it wasn't that successful for me. I'd probably go with a, what do you call that, cosmetic tattoo or something. Please do sound your comments down below. Let me know if, you know, that works out for you guys, and if it's, you know, if it's a good thing, or is it's just so hard to go to work every day and you have to kind of like fix your eyebrow. This is the longest that I have to kind of do every day. Like I would be able to go ahead and put my makeup on in like 30 minutes, but because of my eyebrows, then I have to get more time. Gonna do that like a bushy one. Thank God for the current techniques that everybody is sharing, you know, that helps out a lot, but it's just freaking hard when you don't have any eyebrows and you have to do it every day. I mean, I have so little, very, very thin. There you go. Ever since I had the chemo, it's like super thin. It didn't go back the way it was before, so it is what it is. So I have already retouched my eyebrows. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm actually using, this is Milani. This is Milani, and this is dark brown. And it's number 5. It's very, very good. What I do is I always do it at the ends first and then work my way, you know, in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like just put a little lines over there, kind of like to make it look a little natural. It's really not. But I want it to look like line because it's different now. It's you know, before it's like just one line, but now there's like the bushy eyebrows are coming back to life, and it's beautiful. I wish I have that though, but I don't. All right, so I'm not gonna go ahead and retouch my eyeliner over here. And what I actually use, if you guys are wondering, I was looking for something that's gonna, you know, that's gonna work with me. I used to use what am I using before? Okay, so I was using Wet n Wild. Oops, all my stuff are jumping from my hand. All right, so I'm using a felt tip eyeliner from Wet n Wild, and I kind of like ran out of it, and I can't find any stock from Walgreens. So Walgreens, Lathrop, please fill this up. So I decided to get e.l.f. e.l.f. is one of my go-to, you know, kind of drugstore brand, and this is how it looks like. There you go. Very sharp. Oh, okay. Very sharp, and it's cool. I like the way how it lined in my eyes. There's no creasing on it. So, okay, I told you guys I'm not gonna go ahead and retouch it, but I'm gonna. So I'm just gonna go ahead and retouch just the end of it. There you go. And then the other side. There you go. All right. Okay, so after doing that, I am done with my eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little brush over here, which is my Morphe M326. Morphe M326. So what I'm gonna do is I just wanna pop a little bit of color on the lower lash line, and which is gonna be, I'm gonna be taking it from the NYX Petite Shadow palette, and since I am wearing like this color, I'm gonna try to do this color over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab that a little bit. Okay, there you go, and you're just gonna go ahead and just put it over here. Okay, so let me tell you something about my phone, because I have been using this for a few videos now. You guys, those YouTubers out there, are you guys using your phones too, or what type of phones you're using? Because this phone is awesome. After I've tried using this phone, because I'm so freaking lazy setting up my whole stuff, because I'm a busy mom, right? So I try to just kind of like, okay, put my cell phone there and just, you know, blog about what I do. This one makes things easier for me because I don't have to set it up. And then I do have those little LED lights that I got from Wish. I think I got it for less than 10 bucks or 11 bucks, I would say. So now that you're done smoking up your eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and just retouch my contour on my nose over here. Okay. And then right over here, you know, I got like a little spot over here. I don't know what is that. So that spot won't go away, so I probably have to put something on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get, this is the probably the most expensive contour palette I have from Smashbox, courtesy of Mary. Mary Kondo. She got it for me. Thank you so much for doing that. You're the bestest friend ever. Like, she really knows me. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill that part over there. That's like the weird part. Okay, so now you did. So you did already. There you go. So I'm done with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like spread it a little bit. Kind of blend it a little bit. There you go. And to finish off some glitter here and there, I'm gonna go ahead and grab, for some reason, this is one of my favorite kind of shimmer palette for like just the corner of my eyes. I need to try something else, you know. I just love this because there's no sweat. See that? There is no freaking sweat. And then I'm gonna just put some over here. Highlight your freaking eyebrow bone over here. Just a little bit. Well, after all, that's supposed to be the purpose of this eyebrow kit, is to highlight your brow bone. There you go. I guess that's enough, huh? Alright, let's put some more. There you go. So that's it. And then I'm going to go back to my Smashbox, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, as you can see, my Smashbox is a little dirty and it's all gone over here almost. And I'm going to use this palette over here on the bottom. I don't know what's the name. Let me see if I have a name. That is, oh, you know what? There is. So that should be Crank It Up Rose Gold. Crank It Up Rose Gold. Okay. Rose Gold. Show me what you got. Yeah. There you go. I love shimmer stuff. And this is a Wet n Wild brush, by the way. There you go. Cute and cool. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit over here in my nosy. And my lippy. Okay, and then some over here. There you go. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put mascara, which is what I'm going to use is e.l.f. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. Okay, and this one is pretty cool because it's got a little thingy there. Got a little thingy. I like that. Because the reason why is because my lashes are freaking short. Like, you can't even see it over here. Sorry, but they're freaking short. There you go. Okay, so I am done retouching. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a matte lip cream by Milani. And this is the Dearest number 37. It's very dark, so that's not gonna be, yeah, it's very dark. But we're gonna lighten it up a little bit. I'm gonna try that dark color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, here you go. Okay. I am done with the retouch. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop my eyelashes and I will be back. So I was able to go ahead and pop my eyelashes and I'm using Kiss and it's called Midnight. It's really, really nice. It's, you know, it's kind of like close to, I would say, human hair. Or the mink is kind of like very, very thick. I haven't gotten a stock right now, but the ones that I get from Amazon are really nice. I'll bring that back once I get it. I just didn't have the time to really shop at all, but This one is really close to like natural lashes. It's long and it looks, you know, natural, but there's no such thing as natural. Well, I guess if your lashes are really long, then you just have to put, you know, mascara on it. It's gonna be really long, but you know, sadly I don't have that type of lashes. Anyways, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you do have thoughts, comments, and suggestions, please do write it down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Once again, thank you so much for all your support and your time for today. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!